Hello guys, welcome back with another video. In this video, I'll help you fix iPhone camera problems. If you're opening your camera and only a black screen is showing, or if you're facing any kind of issue with your camera, I'll help you fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. First of all, you need to open your settings. Find the camera option and click on it. Then click on Preserve Settings, make sure the camera mode option is on. Scroll down and ensure that Prioritize Faster Shootings is turned on as well. After doing this, go back. The second method is to reset your phone settings only. Click on General, scroll down, and click on Reset. Then choose All Settings Reset. After doing this, go back. Update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. Open Settings, scroll down, click on General, and then click on Software Update. Make sure your iPhone is up to date with the latest iOS version. If you're using an iPhone with an iOS version lower than 16 or 15, you need to update to iOS 17. If the problem is still not fixed, click on Apple Support, select your gadget, click on More and scroll down to find the option for the camera. Contact the support team and explain the problem related to the camera. They will assist you in fixing the issue. If the camera is still showing a black screen, you may need to change the camera of your iPhone. If the black screen is showing on the front camera, change the front camera. If it's showing on the back camera, change the back camera or seek professional help. Hope you liked this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.